Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Easter themed unboxing. In the next couple of weeks I'm going to be starting to make some craft bits for Easter because it's getting up to that point where we get to make some Easter projects and hampers and all sorts of wonderful things. I got this from the range for £1, so do check out the range. They do next day delivery. You can order right up to about 10:30 and they will get it to you next day. There's obviously different delivery speeds as well, but I always go for next day. And this is 10 sheets of Happy Easter, Easter 10 sheets tissue paper. It features 10 sheets of pastel coloured card apparently, and wrapping, ideal for Easter crafting, egg wrapping and Easter games. Now I got this, there's various different colours here. They said that they've got card in it, but it doesn't feel like card. As you can see up there, it says coloured card, but we'll have to wait and see. But I thought I'd get this because this could be quite nice for like lining. I've got this idea of like a hamper and then I want to line it with some tissue paper, and I want to do a giveaway, so one lucky person is going to get the hamper, and I'm not going to say who it is, but I will just send it out and surprise you. So yeah, that's going to be good. So in here now, and again, the range is like the works. So many wonderful things. So in here we have got, yeah, there's definitely no cards. So I don't know why they've said card, but in here we have got, so we've got pink. That looks really nice. Let's see how big it is. Oh wow, yeah. Okay, so that's, yeah, that'd be perfect because the hamper will be a small one, and then my vision is to sort of like line it with this luxury wrap. And then I'm thinking maybe wrap some Easter bits up in there as well. So yeah, I'm really quite excited to do that. So we've got pink. We've got this lovely green. So that looks pretty nice. Nice sort of colour there. So yeah, that's good. And then we've got, I don't know if we've got, no, it's just one. Okay, I thought that was two different colours. So we've got this lovely light blue. Tissue paper is great to work with. You can wrap gifts up in it. You can give it a little bit of a personal touch. If you're selling an item, you can add it, gift wrap it, and make it a little bit extra special. It just puts puts a smile on someone's face when you send something that's really lovely, colourful wrapped. We've then got our yellow, so the typical chicken colours there. I can't wait to work with that. Really nice. And then of course we've got the purple, which I probably won't use. I don't really like purple, but this is more like a lilac colour. So yeah, some lovely bits of tissue paper here, and I'm really looking forward to getting the Easter projects underway. I'm going to start to roll them out from next week, so we'll start to do all the Easter things from next week. So I hope you like that video. If you do like this tissue paper, as I said, tissue paper is great. You can do it for you can use it on a variety of projects. I've used them for tablecloths before at Christmas time and decorated my own sort of tablecloth and stuff. It's just lovely to work with, and as I said, it makes great wrapping paper. I mean, it's very thin, so obviously don't go mad with it. The slightest tear will tear it, so obviously be careful with it. But you wouldn't be able to send it like in the post with it like that. So you could perhaps send a gift, wrap it up in tissue paper, then wrap it in a box, and then wrap it with the main paper, if you get me. But I just think that was great for £1. So I hope you like that. There'll be more Easter projects coming up throughout next week. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll catch you next time for another video, which will now be on Tuesday. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.